Good morning, my beautiful flowers or lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. Well, today is day 24 of Vlogmas Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. So I had an order for some flowers for Saturday. So I'm going to go pick them up today because I don't know what. She's going to pick up her bouquet and boutonniere on at 9:30 in the morning. So I don't want to be rushing, Saturday morning if he doesn't open. I don't know. He probably does, but I don't want to take any chances. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's like 6:30 in the morning, the crack of dawn. No. And I'm heading my way to go get flowers. I'm going to go to my wholesale that I really love. So I just have a little drive over there. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to try to do my hair, flat iron my hair, and then I am going to, what am I going to do? Oh, and I'm supposed to receive a call from the young ladies from one of my vendors that I do invoice for. She's trying to get her invoices out early, but I need some clarification on what's going on because last month I was mad. And I don't want to be bad this month. So anyway, let's get going. I'm going to head over there. Oh, and then, also today I take care of my granny. And then you can kind of see what we do on Christmas Eve, how we just kind of sit back, watch TV, eat cookies, drink hot chocolate, and all that good stuff. So let's get going. To get my stuff, and guess what? They don't have any white roses, white or red, because of Christmas. And he's not even open on Saturday. I'm about to cry. Shoot. So now I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go around the corner to this little place. They sell wholesale flowers, or they sell flowers. If I could just find white, I'll pay for it. Then if not, I have one more stop. If I can't find it, I have to worry about it on Saturday morning and take a trip to LA. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I can find these white roses. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So I called the little raggedy place over here that's a large company, and they had nothing. So now, let me get off of this because this woman on my back, I had to stare her down for a second. Anyway, so I called the larger company over here. They didn't have any, but OC Wholesalers, which is about, if I wasn't in San Bernardino, would only been like 45 minutes away, 30 minutes away, but because I'm in Orange County, in San Bernardino, it's going to take me about an hour to get over there. They just got white roses, so I'm going to run over there, grab them, and be back. I should refund this lady her money, but I feel bad. That's one thing about me. It's like my customer service. If I say I'm going to do something, I do it. So let me go over here, get these white roses. luckily I charged a little bit more. Should charge a lot more. And we'll be done. Then I had another dilemma. So I was able to get my white roses. I'm so happy. I don't like the look of them. There's a certain ones I like to buy, but hey, this is it. I paid a lot for them. I got what I gotta get. They look kind of creamy to me. The Playa Blanca that I normally get are like really white, but these are just gonna have to work. I'm over it. And then I had another dilemma. My oldest gift hadn't came yet, and I had ordered it on Black Friday under my business account.
Continue on State Route 55 North for 10 miles.
You guys hear I needed coffee, so I added coffee to going home. But anyway, you know, I added that, and I mean, it was supposed to be sent out on the 16th. Then it was delayed to the 18th. Then it was delayed to the 22nd, which was Tuesday. So my second dilemma is my daughter's main Christmas gift was. All right, so I was in Dollar Tree. The line was long, but it went pretty quick. And now I am, oh shoot, what am I doing? I need to reverse, I'm tripping. And no. Okay, so then I was gonna go into Kohl's and get my daughter just to get her a, what is it called? Oh shoot, I am over here tripping. Get her another, my mom I think is getting her necklace. I was gonna get her another necklace just in case her main gift doesn't come, but it says it's in Ontario in transit, so it should be here by 4:30. If it ain't here by 4:30, I'm gonna be in my car driving to Ontario to pick it up. Shoot, I ain't got time to play with these people. But what was I gonna say? You can't turn. So, like I said, I was gonna go to Kohl's and get her another gift, but I don't have my wallet or ID, and I need to get up off these streets because a sister gonna end up running somebody over because folks is driving crazy right now. And my 6:30 adventure, it ends around 9:30. I went into, like I said, the Dollar Tree, but they only had silver bags. That's okay. I can stop at one more Dollar Tree on the way up home. And my client didn't call me, and if her invoices ain't that important, I mean, she was all on it last night, and she kept sending me stuff, and it doesn't have the actual meal count, so I can't finish her invoices. And then I needed to talk to her daughter who runs this account, because last month the account, like, they had days off. Some days they served, some days they didn't, and I'm thinking it's the same for everybody, and it was totally different. So I was all mad because I kept on having to go back and redo an invoice if you just tell me the correct information in the beginning. So I'm like, I need to speak to her. But they were supposed to call between 8 and 9, because as soon as I get home, in about 20 minutes, I'm about to run in the house, make me my, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and then I am gone. I hate buying bows. So what I just normally do is my paper, and I just do like a tulle bow on it. Really simple. Like this at Michael's was $10. I didn't have a 40%, but it was 20% off, so it ended up being like $7. So $7 for 100 yard of tulle is a lot. So just make beautiful puffy bows to go on my gifts. So I'm doing that right now, and then I'm going to go and get ready to head over to my mom's house. Why do I like this blue, you guys?
Yeah, why do you like it? It's so cool that
It's hard to see on my phone. Oh man, he's like glowing.
Hello, you guys. And Mommy Nia Black is here, so I'm on her phone to do the video. So I'm going to end my video right here on Mommy's bed. And subscribe and push the bell.
And don't forget to
And don't forget to subscribe.
Like.
And subscribe. And don't forget to watch other videos. And we have a new update. You can get my outfit. Yeah, with my outfit. I mean, we're giving stuff away. So you want it? You can access. Goodbye. Bye.
thank you for watching.
Bye.
You silly bye.
Hehehe